Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I know it's been a hot minute since you have last seen me, and that's because your girl was literally dying during those exams, but I'm free now. Because I've been gone for so long, I have so many packages that have been piling up in my room that I have to unbox. This is being renovated right now, so that's why I moved into one of my grandparents' homes. So a lot has been going on in my life, and yeah, that's just a quick update. Because of all these things that have been going on, I've definitely neglected some of my unboxings, so they have genuinely piled up into like a corner in my room. I haven't done one of these unboxing videos in so long, and I really want to come back to it because they actually give me joy. Final season, your girl was actually getting cooked out there, but now that I'm finally free, I'm so excited to open some of these packages with you guys. Also do not know what's in any of these. These do not have any brand names on them, so this is a complete surprise for me, as it is for you. Package is the biggest one here. Oof, I have no idea what's inside, but it is quite big. The weather has been so nice lately. I know I've been talking about like spring, and I'm hopeful for the warm weather, but genuinely today it is so sunny, and I cannot wait to go outside after I've done with this. Oh my god, it's a styling toolkit. I agreed to this a while ago, so yeah, this is for hair, I think. Guys, look at it. It's actually like a toolkit. Like, oh, I didn't really like recognize it, but I thought it was just a box, but it's a toolkit. Whoa. Okay, guys, I'm impressed. What is in this? Guys, am I tweaking or a missing thing? I think there was meant to be something here because step 2 says volume texturizing mousse, and it's not here anymore. Protectant, girl, I actually needed this. I actually needed heat protectant. Longest time with no heat protectant, I was genuinely just raw dogging it. Oh my god, it's so cute, and it's pink. It's my favorite color. And I'm looking. Okay, yeah, they totally forgot to team texturizing mousse, because there's a card for it on how to use it, and I don't. The item, narrow brush, a narrow coarse bristle brush, perfect for styling. Okay, it's a smooth hair protectant that you use before you put any heat on your hair. I heat on my hair when I style it, and it definitely shows because it definitely becomes a little more drier and coarse as the day goes on. This will definitely help with the issues I've been having. It smells so good. It smells like peaches. And this hair repair oil kind of reminds me of hand sanitizer with the packaging, but it is so cute, and I really do love it. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells like cherry blossoms. It smells really sweet and fruity. I think you're supposed to put it on damp hair after you wash it, so yes. Ooh, wait, this is so cute. Guys, I take my hair care very, very seriously. Hair is like a make or break. If I have a bad hair day, I literally feel ugly for the rest of the day. But this hairbrush is so nice. Want some tips on how to take care of that? I could definitely make a video for that as well. It's for like edges or whatever. I'm not too sure. This is the toolkit. I love the packaging of this. It is so cute. Products contained within may lead to an influx of compliments. That's so funny. A styling toolkit, and it literally looks like a toolkit. They definitely hit the target audience with this one because I am their target audience. Pink, cute, and it smells nice, and hair care. Okay guys, second package. This one has been sitting in my room for a really long time now. Every time I come back from uni and I see this in my room, I never have any time to open it. And box mystery. I have no idea what's in there. Heat steamer. Oh my god, it's more hair care. Oh my god, your girl's hair is literally never gonna die. I've been losing hair when I went to uni because of the stress, and my hair has been so like disgusting because I wouldn't be able to take care of it or do hair masks because oh my god, for thinning hair, girl, that's literally me right now. Scalp purifying shampoo. Girl, I will be using this. Okay, I think this is from Yesstyle. Moist silky hair oil. This is their hair care set that they were giving out. Oh, yes. So cute. Oh my goodness, so cute. It has a little hand hair oil from Aunt Honey, one of my favorite brands. This is a scalp purifying shampoo. I love the packaging of this, so sleek. For anti-shedding, I shed a lot of hair. My parents complain a lot about using this twice a day. So this is like a serum. Brush, and you quite literally, oh my god, I will be using this, you guys. It comes with a brush, and you quite literally just brush it into your hair in the morning and at night. I've never seen this in my life before. I didn't even know this was an option. I think this is like they give you hair oil and you quite literally just steam it into your scalp, so it penetrates the scalp and it really gets into the root of the issue, and you quite literally get like, it's like a massaging device. These cartridges onto the bottom. What is this witchery? What is this sorcery? Everything in here is so good. And it literally just like massages your scalp. It feels so good. It's quite literally like a scalp massager. Yes? Do you guys see that? It quite literally releases mist. Literally massages. You know how you get like hair oils, you massage on your scalp, but they kind of just like linger into your hair rather than your scalp? Well, this machine does the opposite of that. It quite literally takes the hair oil and it massages it deep into your scalp, so you're actually getting like the usefulness of the hair oil. On hair care mode, if you press it one more time, it'll like start doing this, and this is apparently scalp care mode, and this is like for your scalp care. Trust me, I want my hair to be like gleaming, okay? On my packages, I got 2 small ones and then 1 clothing package that I have to unbox. Ooh, what is this? Oh my god, guys. It's more hair care. This to any of these, and they are literally just popping up at the right moment at the right time. This is by a brand called Anais. This is the mellow cream for all hair. Push the button and it turns it on. That's cool. There's a mechanism. It smells like a milk formula. My hair too much that it's definitely felt a little bit drier than usual. These are all things I would totally use on the daily. Hair mask pack for bleached and colored hair. Oh my goodness. This one I definitely will be saving because your girl definitely plans to dye her hair a couple more times. I know it's not the best idea. Your girl definitely plans to dye her hair, and this will definitely help because I feel like my color never lasts that long and it always turns back into this like brown color rather than like the color I intended. So this is for bleached and colored hair. That is so amazing. I definitely will be using this, and it helps strengthen weakened hair. It looks like this. I think it's just like a hair mask that you put onto your hair. It was super hot, so I tied up my hair. This one is just a top coat that I got because I think my top coat was running out, so I definitely need to replenish. And it's very shiny. I love my top coats really glossy and stuff, so I definitely got another one to replenish the last one that I lost. Oh, these are accessories, you see, guys. Oh, these are tights. Oh, these are tights. I have such a great idea on how I could wear these out. One size fits all. Usually tights are one size fits all. Leggings or these tights. Yeah. But this is like the dress. But this is like the top that I'm gonna be wearing. Super cute. I have a really good plan for this. Guys, I have a plan for this. Pink and white are such a cute combo, and I have a good outfit idea. Okay, last package. This is my clothing package, and I'm excited to see what's inside. Since the weather is getting warmer, I definitely wanted some activewear that I could wear because your girl actually wants to go outside now instead of staying holed up in her room. Wow, this is from a Chinese activewear brand called Benador. Of their activewear is that they're all like sun blocking and they have sun protection, which is really good because you do not want to get sunburned out there, and they're really light and airy and flowy so that you can still conduct a lot of like physical activity while looking good at the same time. First thing we've got are these shorts. Oh, these shorts have a little pocket in the back that like you can put your phone in, I'm pretty sure. Ooh, it's like this black windbreaker type material. That's super cool. I think it has a waist cinching material. I think this is also waterproof. I remember seeing it on their Instagram profile that all their clothes are waterproof and they have sun blocking. Nice. Let me try these on. I'm very curious to see what they look like. Actually, look at this to it, and I also feel like this windbreaker also has a really nice stitch to it as well. It's super cute. I love it. I actually really like it. This top has a really nice cinching effect to it, but it's loose enough where you feel super comfortable, and I don't feel hot in this at all. I feel super breezy. It also has a hoodie, and you can definitely run away if it starts raining. These pants are really nice as well. They've got a great cinching material to it. I feel like I could go on a walk right now. So cute. I got the exact same top, but this time in a really beautiful baby blue color. And one more in this pink color. Pink is my favorite, and this is such a nice baby pink color. Oh my god, this is so cute. Such an amazing top. I love this baby blue color. It also has zippers on the side, which is really nice. So cute. One in the fact that you can zip it up all the way, and I mean like all the way. being sunburnt. In Asia, we take care of our skin a lot, and one of the key things is that we really do not like getting tan. This is definitely something you can pick up if you're afraid of getting tan. Let's try on the pink one now because that's my favorite color. This color is genuinely so cute. It doesn't pick up on the camera that well, but trust me when I say it has the prettiest milky pink color ever. It has really nice deep pockets that you could definitely hold and put a lot of things into, because look how cute this is. I enjoyed unboxing them a lot, and I'm really excited for all the new hair care items I'm going to try. So I actually will be going to the gym. I'm really excited to wear these out. If you guys want a discount code for these sports items, then I have it right here, description box down below. So please check that out if you guys are interested. Welcome back to my channel, and I've got a small package that I want to unbox with you guys today. I got sick and my voice is like weird now. It's really nice of them to send that to me because I've been running out of like facial cleanser, and I was thinking about like where to get it, but hopefully they have it. Oh my gosh, wait, I just ran out of this one, the vegan foaming cleanser. But first up, I see the Face Shop vegan cleansing facial wipes. I never really use facial wipes that are like for getting rid of makeup or anything. I've never tried this before. Getting rid of makeup, and then you use another cleanser to kind of double cleanse. Up Shop vegan like cleansing oil. Ooh, vegan foaming cleanser. I prefer foaming cleansers. I don't know, I just feel like they're more fun. Package coming soon. It's my Yesstyle like beauty package. I had to restock a lot of my favorite makeup and skincare items, so I can't wait to show you guys that. Ignore my voice, I am so sick right now. I've been sick for like maybe like a whole week or two now. First up, bunch of beauty supplies in here. I have the Kill Lash Super Perfect Mascara Extreme Volume Edition. Eyelash color I'm using right now is getting weaker, or maybe I need to replace like this rubber part, but I'm not sure. But I'm pretty sure my mascara might not be the problem, but when I bought it, I originally thought my mascara was the problem, so I got this one. I have heard really good reviews about this, so I'm excited to try this out. Ooh, okay, it's just like this. Let's try curling this a little bit more so you can see the before and after, and I'm gonna try to apply one coat of the Kill Lash on top. It has a very nice wand. It's very straight. Usually they're curved, so. Okay, I do see a difference. Do you guys see a difference? Because I see a difference. I'll add this to my favorite. Next up is the Crystal Glam Tint in Mauve Cherry. I have this Crystal Glam Tint that I've been using for so long now. One is in Daily Mauve, and this one is Mauve Cherry. They came out with a cherry line for cool tones, and I really want to try this out because I actually really love this. I've been using this for a really long time. It's actually like almost done. I'm out with a new line. I was on top of that, and I wanted this so bad. Same packaging, but if you look closely at the top, this one has a cherry and this one doesn't. Wipe off this color on my lips and do a test. On this, I feel like it's so smooth on the lips and it feels like silicone. Oh, it has a smell to it too, guys. It smells sweet. Okay, this one's a really nice mauve color. And I'll only add that to my favorites because this is such a cute color. This one, the Hints True Dimension Glow Balm. Guys, I love the Hints bombs. Like the clear ones they use to make your face really glowy, and let me tell you, they work. I really think they work really well. But I saw this beautiful TikTok girl online, and if I can find a video, I'll show you guys. But basically, she was putting on a tinted glow balm onto her cheeks, and it gave the most ethereal, natural, like rosy cheek glow that came from within. Wait, I haven't had a new glow balm in so long. My tip of my glow balm is like flat. Good. I just put a little bit on my finger and I put it wherever I want a really nice glow. What the dog doing? Face off. Do you guys see that glow? That is so beautiful. That glow is actually to die for. Next up, I have this one. This one is to stock up. This is my favorite lip liner of all time. Ever since I bought this like a couple years ago, I've never stopped using this. Just a backup for this one because this one's running low and I really love it and I don't want to run out. This is the best lip liner of all time. It's natural, like nudie color, and it gives but it's also like dark enough where it can give your lips a little bit of a shadow. I've been meaning to do a lip tutorial because I have a very specific way on how I do my lips. I do it doing style where I curve my lips a little bit upwards, and I feel like that has given me the best look. My favorite brow pencil of all time. I love this thing to death. It's unsustainable because unfortunately they went away really quick. This one, which is the flower nose one, and I actually love it too. It's really great. It's got like a brow pencil and a brow like tint on the other, and I actually really love that. This one is just a brow pencil, but what I've noticed for this is that it is so good at drawing your egg yolk style. Instead, I'm mostly going to be using it to draw my egg yolk style. It's got the perfect curve, and what I like to do is that this helps me draw my egg yolk cells so much faster in the morning. You literally just draw a line. You can see a difference. This one looks more prominent than the other. Yeah, maybe I should do like a beauty favorites for all my beauty favorites because I have a ton of makeup products and beauty hacks that I want to share with you guys that I really love. I feel like you would like too. Okay, next up is this one, the Unleasha Sunset Dazzle Gloss Bomb. The reason why I got this was because I'm running low on lippies. Lippies require me to have a mirror where I could see myself and apply it, so that wasn't gonna work for me anymore. So I wanted something that I could literally just like take out from class and like wipe it on my lips and no one would be able to see. I saw this online. It has a really nice like glossy like rubbery silicone tip. I'm gonna wipe it off and we can try it out together. You can see that it comes out like that, just a little bit of product. I might have put too much actually, but it's really good. I feel like and it feels really nice on the lips too, so it's not bad. I love this color. Okay, next up I got the Out of Office contour stick. It's literally just a pencil. One side is the highlighter pencil and one side is the contour pencil, and this one is made especially for Asian skin tones. This is what my nose contour looks like. I also think it's really good for highlighting your egg yolks. And my face is a little bit oily because I've been out all day, but let's blend this out. I actually need to rewatch those doing videos because I need to know their technique. They had a very specific way of doing it on my jaw and see if I could like shave it down a little bit. One last thing I got is this one, the Hamish All Clean Bob, because my makeup cleanser was running out. I really feel like my makeup has gotten better as this video has gone on. Like, do you guys see all this glow and color? I feel like my eyes are popping. You could definitely see my egg yolks more with the eyebrow pencil duo. The pen is actually really creamy and good. I definitely think the doing girls know what's up. This is not sponsored in any way whatsoever, but here is my Yesstyle code if you guys are interested. Use this if you guys are interested though. And if you guys want more makeup recs, definitely talk to me. I don't want you guys to waste any more of your money buying things that you won't like. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe and comment down below what else do you want to see from me next time. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!